Hey to LA fam, it's Mesha and Malik at Globe Life Field for Game 2 of the Dodgers versus Rangers. Rookie sensation Roki Sasaki takes the mound for the best team ever assembled. Let's go!
Cruising to paradise, love in the air. With every sunset, Malik and Mesha are there.
Welcome to Love and Adventure.
Hey to LA fam, Mesha and I are heading to Globe Life Field. Today we are going to see my world champion Los Angeles Dodgers, the super team. I get to see Roki Sasaki, the rookie phenom from Japan. Oh, this is more than just a game, it's going to be an experience. And that's what we are all about, life experiences. So this is the Arlington Entertainment District. You have Texas Live there, Globe Life Field there. That used to be Globe Life Park, the previous baseball stadium, but it's Choctaw Stadium now, and it's where the Arlington Renegades play. And just down the way, this way, about a mile, is AT&T Stadium where the Cowgirls play. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we will see you inside. All right, we're entering the building. Now, where are our seats? We're in section 140. Oh, we came in right this way, right here. Yep. So we did not get here in time for first pitch. The Dodgers are up, and it looks like Conforto is at bat. So it is still the first inning, just started. We'll go to our seats, and then we're gonna go get something to eat. All right, so we both went with the lobster rolls, and they got a Whataburger in here, so we got some French fries. I got a water. She can't stand. Ooh, yes sir. Just learned that Otani is not playing today. I don't know why, but I'll find out. Tommy Edmonds is hitting first, I believe, in his place. Second inning is over. Rangers coming up to bat. Wow, didn't know you could get those in the game. But oh boy, just brought those down to her. It's a fancy drink. All right, Roki. First base. Whoops. Walked him.
Batting eighth, the catcher, number 11.
Well, Roki just got hit deep, right from where I am. And it literally landed right below us. That's where we are. Barely missed. I couldn't even see the ball because it landed right there. Dadgummit. Yeah, but they got two. At bat, Mookie. Get out, get out, get out, yeah! Woo!
First baseman, number 5, Freddie.
Freddie! Freddie, 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 Freddie. Woo! Yeah! Is that going? Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Freddie! Yeah! Freddie, 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 Freddie. 2-2. 3-2. All right, 3-2. Bring him home, Muncy. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Got him! What's going on here? Why are we harassing Dodger fans? No, we gotta record, y'all. Right 3.
It's the Netsman, Bling Cam.
Netspin is still around? I thought that was done. Anybody know who this guy is getting interviewed? They were right behind us. Right. Got him. Pitching change. Vesia. I wonder what they're talking about right there. Without the pitcher. He looked like that parking attendant we were talking to. Right here. I mean, it's one clear as day. And it also says Outtakes right there. Alright, so we have the dot race.
Make your pick now. Red, blue, or green.
We're gonna go with red.
Make your pick now. Red, blue, or green.
Red!
And the dots are off.
Looks like blue is. How the hell? They had already cheated on my red. Let's go red. Let's go red. Let's go red. That was a long, loud strike. First, man, they got a lot of screens. Foul, 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 foul. Foul.
Please, no! No!
El Bambi. Two. Some happy Rangers fans and some unhappy Dodgers fans. And he's explaining that to his daughter. She asked him who won. No, he said the Rangers, they won on a walk-off. Oh, wow. She was saying, who won? So that is Texas Live, or Livingston Bayou. That's Texas Live there. Baseballism. Oh, that's a Cowboy bar there. Even though they lost, it was still the most fun that I've had at a Dodgers game. So I'm not mad. Yep. Right. I mean, it was a very quick game. I think that game was like 2.5 hours maybe. Let me see, it's 5:30. So yeah, it was a 2.5 hour game. Started at 3. That's pretty quick. Would have much rather have a different outcome, but as they say, baseball is a weird sport. You win some and you lose some. Yeah, it's way more Dodgers fans. This is turned into a Dodger town. I'd say it was at least, what, 50-50? Dodger fan, Ranger fan? All right, y'all. We will see y'all in the car. Hi, where is Mesha? There she is. I didn't even see what he did. I missed it. What did I just miss? Must have tried to pick off. Who is he? First time in a stadium where the play was under review. Are they gonna show it to us or not? Where are they at? Oh, they're right there in front of us now.